cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to.
Welcome to the channel, you guys. My name is Jack, this is GasDiesel Garage, and in today's episode, my daughter's Toyota 4Runner is never gonna be the same. So stay tuned. Now, if you guys recall from the last time I had this Toyota 4Runner here, I was trying to fit these 33-inch American Force wheels on a 4Runner that did not have a lift kit on it. So guess what today is? It's lift kit day. Now, of course, the only lift kit that is suitable for this 4Runner, in my humble opinion, would be a rough country lift. A 6-inch rough country lift. All these boxes, all this stuff is going on that. So without further ado, let's get to work.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Oh, hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job.
What's the purpose of these bees?
Go to the beach much, Jordan?
I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? My strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, oh. And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, oh. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
Well, now it's quite unfortunate that I got to cut the lower control arms out because the eccentric bolts are seized inside the bushing. So it's kind of typical on these Toyota 4Runners, but got to cut them off with a sawzall. So let's just go ahead and do that now. Okay, now that we got the hard part done, that is putting in the subframe here, this drop subframe, if you will. It was a little bit of a challenge because we had to cut out some of the frame right up in here, and that's exactly what Rough Country told me to do. I had to cut that subframe right up in there, if you can see, and drop the differential. But I had the differential secured to the new frame, and now we just have to assemble all of this and all of this. Yeah,